Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off, removing any case, and ejecting the SIM/SD tray so you can access ports. Once done, inspect the bezel and screen edges for debris or bends. Dust or a loose frame can cause flicker. Next, boot into safe mode or recovery to check whether an app or OS glitch creates horizontal lines. If flicker disappears in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. If still present, proceed to hardware checks. You open the back or remove the screen if you are comfortable and grounded. Use a non-metal pry tool and unscrew only specified screws. Carefully locate and reseat the LCD/AMOLED flex cable. Press gently and secure the connector latch, because loose connectors create horizontal lines. While inside, inspect the battery and flex for swelling or corrosion. A swollen battery can warp the screen. If available, connect to an external display. You finish by replacing the faulty component. Install a new display assembly or repair the logic board depending on the diagnosis. Make sure to use OEM or high-quality parts, align connectors, and torque screws as the manufacturer specifies to avoid new stress points. Once reassembled, boot the phone and verify the fix. If flicker persists, perform a full factory reset to rule out firmware corruption. If that fails, consult a professional repair service, because the issue may be deep board-level damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.